Hey guys, today I'll be doing a tutorial on how to import geometry from Rhino into Blender. So this can be useful if you want to set up like custom materials onto your model that conventional render software just can't do. It's also a good way to include unique camera paths to really showcase your model, because that can be quite hard to do with regular render softwares. So first, you just want to select your entire model, so all of the geometry. Now, Blender doesn't recognize Rhino native geometry, so what you have to do is you have to convert it all into a mesh. So just type in mesh, hit enter. Here you can adjust how many polygons you want it to be. More polygons would make the model more heavy, so more laggy. Fewer polygons will simplify it, so if you have a slow computer, just use that, but usually around the center it should be fine. So just hit OK. Yeah, now the model is ready to be brought into Blender. So just highlight the entire thing, click File, Export Selected, and then just find OBJ is fine, but you can also use FBX wherever it is, and then just export it as an OBJ file. All of these settings are good. You can just hit OK. So once you're in Blender, so just go to File, Import, and then click OBJ.